Hi, this is Sean Henricksen from the Sean Henricksen Law Firm, where we help good people like you avoid the devastating consequences of criminal charges. Today, we're going to talk about the presumption of innocence and what it means to be innocent until you're proven guilty. Before we get to that, I do have a free download for you. So if you look down in the notes, you can request 4 things that you should do if you were arrested, and we can email that right over to you. I do also have a new podcast, What to Expect If You're Arrested. There's a link for that in the notes also. So if you're wondering what to expect, what the process is like once you are arrested, click on that, and I hope that you find that helpful also. We hear a lot that when somebody's arrested or charged with a crime, that they're innocent until proven guilty. But I've had one case in particular over the last few weeks that's made me been thinking a lot about this. And so I thought I'd make a video talking a little bit about what that presumption means and what it doesn't mean. When you're charged with a crime here in the United States, you've got certain rights. And one of those rights is a trial by jury. And at that trial, the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you committed whatever crime they're saying that you committed. The jury is ordered in that case to find you not guilty unless the state has proven beyond a reasonable doubt that you committed that crime. And so you're presumed innocent unless they're able to prove otherwise. Being charged with a crime is a stressful and frustrating experience. And during that process, there's going to be a lot of times where you don't have that presumption of innocence. The cop who arrests you is not going to presume that you're innocent. The magistrate who orders bond on your case and sets certain conditions of bond on your case is not going to presume that you're innocent. The prosecutor is not going to presume that you're innocent. Your employer has the ability to fire you if they want to just based off of the charge. And even your defense attorney may not presume that you're innocent. The presumption that you're innocent, that you are innocent until you're proven guilty, only applies when your case is at trial. And this is frustrating because it's something that we all know. It's a foundational principle of our criminal justice system. But all throughout the process, it doesn't feel that way. And even when it does get to a trial, we're picking jurors who are just normal citizens who are pulled off the street, essentially. And we've got to impress upon them this principle that for a lot of people who are sitting on a jury may not feel right. They may feel that just because somebody was charged or just because somebody was arrested means that they probably did whatever they're accused of doing. It's even more frustrating when we're dealing with a judge or somebody else who knows that you've got this right that you're innocent until you're proven guilty, who is acting as if you've already been found guilty and is adding all these conditions of your bond and issuing warrants for your arrest and threatening to arrest you again if you're late for court. And so it's all very frustrating. That's why it's important to find an attorney who's not going to treat you like a criminal and who's going to be there to walk you through this and stand up and fight for you no matter what you're being charged with. If you have any questions about this video or if you're being charged with a crime here in San Antonio, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 210-942-4997. If this video has been helpful for you, I'd appreciate it if you like the video or subscribe to my channel. We've got lots of great content and we will continue to provide answers to the questions that you probably have. Have a great day.